Okay, our first online notes. We are starting with subject pronouns. So the next 2 pages in our notebook, remember we always start on the right side. Go ahead and put your title, add it to your table of contents. You can pause at any time during this video to make sure that you get everything copied. All right, subject pronouns. Going off of the pronouns that we talked about before, only about half of them can be used as a subject. So, obviously, a pronoun used as the subject of a sentence. The only ones that we can use for first person are I and we. Second person is you, either singular or plural. Third person is he, she, it, and they. All the rest of them will be object pronouns we'll talk about later. What I'd like you to do is write a short sentence for each of those subject pronouns in your notebook. Just continue right along with your notes. So there's 7 words. That's 7 sentences. Write a sentence for each one. Now, subject pronouns can also be used as subject complements. Think back to when we talked about these in the noun section. A subject complement comes after a being verb and it renames the subject. So these are using the same pronouns, but as a subject complement. They always have to follow a linking or a being verb and rename the subject. They're always subject pronouns also. So I want you to copy the following sentences. Underline the pronoun that you find in the sentence, and then write whether it's a subject or a subject complement. The first one is, my class and I went on a trip to the Science Museum. Pause the video until you get the entire sentence written. Okay, that should be enough time to have it written. The pronoun in this sentence is I. Is that a subject or a subject complement? Well, it doesn't come after a being verb, so it's a subject. Now write this one. The students who forgot their lunches were Irene and he. Pause it till you have it written. Okay? The pronoun in this sentence is he. Subject or subject complement? Well, it comes after the being verb were, so it's a subject complement. Now I'd like you to write a short sentence using each of the subject pronouns as subject complements. So again, those same 7, I, we, you, he, she, it, and they, but write them as a subject complement. Don't forget the being verb. So when you come into class tomorrow, I want to see all of the notes written, all of the examples, and all of the sentences, a total of 14 sentences written. 7 as subject, 7 as subject complement. If you had any problems with this video, make sure that you tell me tomorrow.